Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. If we keep talking forever, then I don't get where this thing goes. So sick of waiting for nothing, but no one bring me to my senses, but I'd rather be logical. Recalling you, can't let go. We had our chances to patch things up again. I can't believe that you let it slip somehow. So I get a little drunk on a blurry vision is helping when I'm stumbling in the dark. As soon as I'm feeling something, I just take another shot. And all my stupid friends try to bring me to my senses, but I wanna stay this numb tonight, so I have to be. I'm starting to feel away. No, we were not strings attached. Just getting on somehow. You gave it to myself. You needed to get it. Now we can set up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some love. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's us. I feel my crazy for trying. I'm crazy for you. But I live with it. If it means I love you, if we could be together, I'm set shit. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches that come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. I don't think this is love. Picking fights, I think we have done it all. She knows me when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. You know everything about me, like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, Always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame.